author ever to receive the honor, British writer Doris Lessing. Lessing, who will turn 88 later this month, is best known for her 1962 novel, Golden Notebook. Considered an early classic of the feminist movement, the Nobel judges cited Lessing for her skepticism, fire, and visionary power. Up next, Where the Wild Things Star, the revolutionary farmer letting animals call the shots.
That ought to do it.
That's why you should invest with Edward Jones to make sure you're on the right track. Because 2 out of 3 Americans are unprepared for retirement. Don't be one of them. Edward Jones, making sense of investing.
It just tastes better than Progresso Soup, a taste of the delight.
If you have arthritis pain in your knee, but think total knee replacement is your only option, here's good news. Bowman now offers a partial knee replacement. It's called the Oxford Partial Knee, and it's the only one of its kind. Traditionally, knee replacement requires removal of the entire knee surface. Now, there's the Oxford, an innovative product that enables you to keep up to 75% of your healthy knee, allowing for recovery, less pain, and more natural motion. So ask your surgeon if a partial knee is right for you. Why get a total knee when maybe all you need is a partial knee from Biomed?
Several factors can affect the life of any joint replacement. Potential risks include loosening, dislocation, fracture, and wear, any of which can require additional surgery. An orthopedic surgeon can determine if this surgery is right for you.
If you're living with constant joint pain, don't wait. Find a surgeon in your area and ask about partial knee. Have you heard about Miralax? It's a different kind of life.